Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start cutting. And I'm just going to cut as straight of a line as I can and follow the pencil mark that I made and get this completely cut through. Once I cut through it totally, I'll remove it and clean up the edges, and we'll move on to the next thing. Now that I've got the entire area squared up, I'm going to go back in here and take my tape measure and take it all the way in if you can, or add. What I'm going to do is just add what I've got, 1/2 inch, so I can make my cut square. Okay, so now that measurement just did, it was a square. It's 24 inches and a quarter. So I'm going to add 1/2 inch to one end because I couldn't get past where the wall is to the stud. So I'm going to add 1/2 inch for that